This 10-piece gardening set combines functionality and style, featuring durable, heavy-duty tools and an elegant handbag for storage. With ergonomic handles, the tools provide comfort for digging, planting, and pruning tasks. Perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners, it ensures efficient and hassle-free gardening. The stylish and practical design makes it an ideal gift for gardening enthusiasts. Organize your tools effortlessly and enjoy a seamless gardening experience with this complete set. These 8.27-inch bypass pruning shears offer sharp precision for pruning shrubs, flowers, and plants. Featuring a 5/8-inch cut capacity, they handle branches with ease. The stainless steel blades provide long-lasting sharpness, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. Lightweight and durable, these shears are perfect for maintaining a vibrant garden. Whether for light trimming or heavier pruning, these shears make gardening tasks smoother and more efficient. This 4-in-1 soil tester measures moisture, pH levels, light, and nutrients, helping your plants thrive. Its user-friendly design provides quick, accurate readings for informed gardening decisions. Ideal for indoor and outdoor plants, farming, and lawn care, it's a versatile tool for every green thumb. Keep your garden lush and healthy by optimizing plant care with this essential gardening gadget. Take the guesswork out of plant maintenance with this must-have tool. Compact and powerful, the Tietoc 6-inch mini electric chainsaw is perfect for cutting small logs and trimming branches. Its cordless design, powered by a rechargeable battery, ensures freedom of movement. With a sharp blade and ergonomic handle, it's efficient and easy to use. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's a practical choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Enhance your gardening and woodworking tasks with this reliable and portable tool. The Walensee Lawn Aerator features 15 durable iron spikes for effective soil aeration and debt hatching. It enhances nutrient absorption and root growth, promoting a healthy lawn. Designed for manual use, it's easy to operate and built for long-term durability. Perfect for yard maintenance, this tool ensures your lawn remains lush and vibrant. Whether for home or professional use, it's a valuable addition to your gardening toolkit. This 10-piece stainless steel gardening tool set offers durability and functionality for all gardening needs. The ergonomic, non-slip handles provide comfort and precision during use. From digging to weeding, these tools handle every task effortlessly. The included storage tote bag ensures organization and easy access. Perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners, it's a thoughtful gift or personal upgrade for any green thumb. Make gardening more enjoyable and efficient with this complete set. The Kynup 7-piece gardening tool set is built for durability, featuring rust-proof stainless steel and aluminum alloy tools. Designed with ergonomic handles, it provides comfort and control for tasks like planting, digging, and pruning. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's suitable for gardeners of all levels. This reliable and efficient set ensures long-lasting performance, making it an essential addition to any garden lover's toolkit. Keep your garden thriving with these high-quality tools. This Walensee bow rake features a 5.4-foot stainless steel handle and 17 durable steel tines, perfect for loosening soil and collecting debris. Its ergonomic design offers comfort and ease of use, even during prolonged tasks. Ideal for gardening, landscaping, or yard maintenance, this heavy-duty rake ensures reliable performance. Built for durability, it's a must-have for anyone looking to keep their outdoor spaces pristine and well-maintained. The SUNPOW metal detector shovel is a versatile tool for digging and treasure hunting. Featuring a double serrated edge, it easily cuts through tough soil and roots. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort and control. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for gardening, outdoor adventures, or archaeological digs. Add this reliable trowel to your toolkit for effortless and precise digging tasks. This giftable garden tool set combines functionality and style, featuring durable alloy tools with ergonomic rubber grips. Perfect for planting, pruning, and digging, it includes an adjustable storage tote bag for organization and portability. Designed for convenience and performance, it's a great gift for gardening enthusiasts or a valuable addition to your own collection. Make gardening tasks enjoyable and efficient with this premium quality, all-in-one tool set.